Introducing the ultimate 2021 Skoda Octavia RS 1.4 TSI 245 HP with every feature you could imagine. This stunning blue saloon boasts a 1.4-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine and automatic transmission, loaded with comfort and technology, including satellite navigation, Bluetooth, cruise control, and more. Safety features like ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. Stylish touches like sport exhaust and privacy glass make this car stand out. With a full health check, warranty, and manufacturer servicing, this Octavia is ready for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to drive this beauty. Contact us at spiritskoda.ie today for more details.